Okay, Broski, how can I send email and keep track when the person open it? So today I'll be teaching you guys on how to track the email, whatever email you send to a certain person, a certain client or anybody. So I'm going to be revealing an app for you that you can use to. I'm sure you may have known the app, but at least let me reveal it to those who are not familiar with the app. So the app is named Mailsuite. You can use Mailsuite to send email and also keep track of it when the person open it. Yes, Mailsuite will track the email when the person open it, anytime the person open it, anytime, and how many times the person opened that email. Mailsuite is going to keep track of it and notify you. So you'll be aware when you send an email to the person and the person open it, you'll be aware of it, because Mailsuite will deliver a notification to you that this is a person in the email box. You deliver a notification that he or she sent this has opened this email at this particular time. Mailsuite is going to deliver and give you that notification that the person has opened it this particular time. So with this, you'll be able to keep track of your emails, that to know the reaction of either your client. Okay, maybe your client is not replying to you. You may know that, okay, either she's busy or so, but she has seen the message. So you will have it will give you the next move. What is your next move to make? That is, it can help. I'm sure it should help the freelancers, the merchants also. Merchants, if you send message to your customers, you can use Mailsuite to send message to your customers and keep track of them with that Mailsuite easily, just like how you send message through Gmail. Mailsuite is as easy as that. So I'm going to be showing practical step. I'm going to be doing a video record and I will describe how to do it very easy through your phone. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't need to use PC. You can use your phone to do it. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Welcome back, and I hope you are paying attention to where we stop. So I'm going to go straight to Play Store, and this Play Store I was already on the app before. So you can go straight to Play Store, search for Mailsuite. Just search for Mailsuite. So it's called Mailsuite or Mailtracker. So you can search for Mailtracker, Mailsuite, something like that. So you search for it. Once you search for it, you install it. Let's wait for it to install. So our Mailtracker has installed. That is Mailsuite have installed. So you open it. So make sure you have your Google account or your email account. Have it down. So you sign in through your email account. So you're just going to directly sign in through your existing email account. So wait for it to sign in directly. Allow. So this mail, so it directly sign in this my account. So, and you can also change account. So you should not be surprised that it's signing an account that you don't know. So here you can change your account. You can add new account. Say if I want to add new account, I can add new account through this place. So those that are having multiple accounts, you see you can add new accounts. Yes, for each Mailsuite account, for each Mailsuite Gmail. So I hope you get that. So now you can, okay, let me, for example, you want to send a message to your friend. I want to track it. Okay, when this person has opened this message, I can say, hey, how are you? How are you? So let me add the person's email. Just add one of my email. So I sent it. Now I've sent the email to my other email address. So I'll go ahead to my Gmail account and check. Now you can see I received this message. You can see the message. You can see it here. I received the message here. So now I'll click on it. I click on it. You see, Mailsuite has, you can see, Mailsuite has already notified me. They have already notified me that someone has. You can see the message. Hey, Mailsuite have tracked it that this guy opened the message 22 seconds after it was sent. You can see This is very effective, so you can try it out and thank me later. It's very simple to use and very reliable to use, so just use it.